Ever feel like your brand new graphics card is just a euro underperforming? Today, we're diving into how to force your games to use your powerful Nvidia graphics card for maximum visual fidelity and frame rates. First things first, you need to open the Nvidia Control Panel. You can usually find it in your system tray or by searching in your Start menu. Once open, let's focus on Manage 3D Settings. Click it, and you'll see two main tabs: Global Settings and Program Settings. Let's start with the Global Settings tab. This applies settings to all your games. In the Global Settings tab, look for Preferred Graphics Processor. Click on the drop-down menu. Make sure it is set to High Performance Nvidia Processor. If you select this setting, all games will default to Nvidia card. Click Apply at the bottom right. After, however, some games may still give a poor performance. Next, head over to the Program Settings tab. This lets you customize settings for individual games. Click the Add button to select the game you want to optimize. Many games will be listed. If your game isn't listed, you can click on Browse to locate the X file for your game. Once you've selected your game, look for the drop-down menu labeled Select the Preferred Graphics Processor for this program. Click it and choose High Performance Nvidia Processor. Then, find the Power Management mode and ensure it is set to prefer maximum performance. Finally, click Apply, and that's it. You should be seeing a much smoother, more detailed experience in your favorite games. Consider restarting the game for changes to take place. If you are still experiencing issues, update your graphics driver. Go enjoy your high-performance gaming.